Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have my box from Misfits. This is a pretty big order because it's basically for my Thanksgiving. We're gonna get it unboxed. But first I wanna tell you, I've had a day of extended warranties. My laptop, my MacBook Pro, the battery expanded, so my keyboard was all bowed and my trackpad cracked. And the bottom was bowed, but I have Apple Care, so I went to the Apple store and apparently it will all be covered. Yeah! That's good. And then when I was coming back, I stopped at the grocery store. A real quick thing. I know I keep saying I'm gonna go to the store and bring you guys with me, but I wear a mask in the store and I just try to get in and get out really quick. So I haven't had time to do that yet, but I stopped, I grabbed a few things, and I came out of the store, I put my groceries in the back seat of my car. I don't normally do that. And when I took them out, when I got home and took them out of the back seat, I noticed there was a nail in my tire. Here's the good news, I have an extended warranty. I called one dealership and they gave me a really hard time.
If you actually have this, maybe it'll be covered, but we'll have to evaluate it.
And I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go to the dealership where I bought the car, which is further away and not as convenient. But you know what? They're not gonna give me a hard time because they sold me the tire protection package thing. So I called them and they were like,
yep, come right in.
We took it down, dropped it off. They were gonna plug it and then send me back with it, but I'm off tomorrow, so I don't need the car. So I was just like, keep the car, don't worry about plugging it. That was easy enough. Kind of a pain, to be fair. I mean, this is kind of a pain. No one wants to deal with anything breaking. But if you have to deal with something breaking, it's good that you don't have to pay for the problem. Also good that I didn't get stuck somewhere. And I noticed this nail in the tire, I hope pretty quickly. For all I know, I've been driving around with it in the tire for a week. I don't know. I don't normally put things in my back seat, so there's that. Anyway, what do you say we get this box open now that I'm done blabbing about my crazy day and find out what's inside? BioDrain as the ice pack. I'm still using the new camera, so I gotta remember to back up. And the useless piece of cardboard, which is a little bit wet, but it's not as bad as it has been sometimes. Not one, but two taken breaks. This is French and this is sourdough. We love this bread. Once a week, I make it with soup. We don't eat the whole thing because it's just two of us. The leftovers, I make croutons from, and then I use that for Caesar salad, and I make my own Caesar dressing. I really do all these things, guys. Oh, wow, this looks so nice in here. I have to show you this. This is what every box should look like. Look at that. There's two compartments. And everything is organized in here. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Misfits, this is amazing. Have you been listening? For those of you that canceled your Misfits because of the way they pack, maybe it's time to revisit it. Okay, we have, this is, I forget if it's the Poultry seasoning blend. We'll go through that receipt. I forget which one I got, but this is sage, thyme, and rosemary. And this is a large container. It's like stuffed. And I actually have a whole lot of rosemary from Lancaster Farm Fresh, so I don't really need that as far as rosemary. I need the thyme and I need the sage. And then we have some shiitake mushrooms. I'm planning to use these in my Thanksgiving stuffing. And then we have some summer squash, which is actually, for once, in really good condition. Check this out, guys. That's because they packed it well. See, when you pack things well, they don't get messed up. And then one lime so far. This is a nice looking lime. And some green beans. These are the French haricot vert. They look nice. Brexie, what are you doing? Are you guys playing with my shoes? Probably. That's a ruckus. I think I might have to check this. What's happening? What's happening? Why is there growling? Who's growling? What are you doing? Cece. Brexie, come with mommy. Come on. Do you want to help mommy unpack stuff? Do you want to say hello to the people? Say hi, my name is Brexie. Do you want to help? Do you want some mushrooms? Don't feed your cats mushrooms. Don't do that. We have more mushrooms. And actually, I don't remember getting 2 packages of shiitake mushrooms, but it's quite possible that I did. You guys know I do that all the time. I just don't remember what I've ordered. And then we've got some more limes, and these look good. You like the limes, Brexie? Yeah? Brexie likes the limes. Hi, Brexie. Brexie, I think this is the first time that people have met you. You always hide from the camera. And then we have some baby spinach. Miraculously, it's not open. Brexie, can you believe it? The spinach isn't open. It's a little smushed. But you know what? It's not open. And it expires November 20th. Today is November 15th. So there's only 5 days on it, but in my experience, it usually lasts a little bit longer than it says. And we've got some, this is a giant sweet potato. Like, look at the size. Like, Brexie, this is bigger than you. This is like 2 Brexie heads. Look at the size of that. Yeah, look at the size. It's huge, right? Is it a big sweet potato? Yeah, and then we have a little one. So we've got big brother and little brother. A butternut squash. This is bigger than my head. You know what it is? And I don't know why they haven't gotten used to it yet. They usually eat dinner at 6 o'clock and it's 5:16. Since we've had the time change with daylight savings time ending, they get crazy around 5 o'clock because they think it's DINNER time. Right, Brex? Is that what you think? Yeah? Then we have some more limes. Yeah, do you want the lime? You want a lime? Yeah? What do you think of the limes? Are they good limes? There's 4 limes so far, Brexie. Celery. This looks nice. This is good looking celery. It's celery. You don't like celery, Brexie. What are you doing, Brexie, Brex? And then we have some romaine. This is looking a little brown. It usually looks a lot better than this, honestly. This is not, I'm not impressed with this romaine. And this was packaged on the 1st of November, so it's been sitting around a little while. Then we've got, oh, broccolini. The broccolini's falling apart. We've got some broccolini. Brexie's getting broccolini on her back. And then we've got some scallions, and these look good. And some asparagus. Oh, it's the nice thin asparagus. This is awesome. I know, isn't it good? And then we have 6 limes. I think I do remember ordering 2 of the 3 count of lemons. Did I say limes? Brexie, it's been a day. It's been a day. Right, Brexie, Brex? Cece, don't hit Ashlyn. Oh my goodness, they're so bad today. Why are you guys being so bad? Ashlyn, stay over here with Mom. I know. And then we have some zucchini. And this is not broken. That's always a plus. Holy parsnip. Oh my god. Look at that parsnip. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. It's like that. Remember that crazy carrot I got from Lancaster Farm Fresh a couple weeks ago? Girls, no fighting. I don't want you to hurt her because you hurt her ear once. I'm sorry. They're rude. So we've got 2 parsnips. These are impressive looking parsnips. I'm happy with those. And then we have cranberries. And these are Patience Fruit and Company organic cranberries. And it says they're from Canada. Two purple sweet potatoes. Cipollini onions. They smell so good. I love these. These are so nice. Let's take a look at that receipt. Make sure we've got everything. No, it's funny. There's a tag for fennel, but I don't have any fennel, so I'm not sure what's up with that. We're gonna have to check that receipt. We have the Take and Bake sourdough. We have the Take and Bake French. Each of those was $3.99. We have 5 organic limes. Do we have 5? I thought I had 4. See, this is why we have to count. There are 5. There are 5. I misremembered. See, I misremember a lot of things. 5 limes for $1.89. I say that's good. The cranberries were $2.99, and that's for 12 ounces. The organic celery was $1.99. The organic green beans, which are the French or the haricot vert, $3.99. The scallions were 99 cents. Oh, so one of these is one of these was supposed to be baby bella mushrooms, and it looks like I got 2 shiitake instead, because neither of these looks like baby bella mushrooms, do they? They both look like shiitake. Interesting. So the baby bella mushrooms were supposed to be $2.29. I'll let them know about that, but they did give me other mushrooms. The asparagus was $3.99. The broccolini was $3.49. The poultry blend herbs was $3.99. And actually, for the size of this, that's actually a really good deal for organic. The sweet potatoes were 99 cents for 2, and those are 2 enormous sweet potatoes. The summer squash was 2 for $1.99. The baby spinach was $2.99. Parsnips were 2 for $2.99. The lemons were 3. I ordered 2, and they were supposed to be 3 lemons in each, so that's 6 lemons for $3.78. That seems a little high. The shiitake mushrooms were $2.99, and those I did order, but I didn't get the baby bella ones. Instead, I got 2 shiitakes, but I think they were the same price. The baby bella mushrooms were actually less, so I kind of made out on that deal. The purple sweet potatoes were 2 for $1.29. They're kind of on the small side though. My total was $62.27. Shipping was $4.50. I had 35 cents in credit. Not sure what that was about. My total was $66.42. And I'm gonna show you what this looks like, because guys, that's good. Misfits says that's a savings of $34.25. And you know what? I totally believe them. Let me show you this. What do you think? Is this worth the price? Would you order from Misfits? If you stopped ordering from Misfits because you've been unhappy with the packaging, would you give them another try? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. If you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you like other videos like this, you want to watch me unbox vegetables, I do this at least once a week. And I post other videos every week. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you never miss a video. This is Aimee. Happy eating and happy Thanksgiving. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.